Welcome to Crafty Hints. Merry Christmas! Today I will be sharing some quick gifts. Alright, let's get to DIY1. Now for this first gift, I started off with my Cricut and I made a last name in the middle of a snowflake. Now I want two of those, so I'll hit duplicate. This is just my Cricut design space. Then I'll hit make it. Since I'm going to do an iron-on, I'm going to hit mirror because you're going to cut it in reverse. So after I hit mirror, I ran it through my Cricut, and this HTVRONT vinyl that I tried out tells you to set it to light cardstock setting, not the iron-on. So that's what I did, and look at this. It cut perfectly. You could see it on the other side. It just cut so nicely. I did really enjoy this. They sent me this vinyl to try out so that I could share it with you. I will share this one and I'll share the red. But look at this black. If you could see, it has little flecks of blue in it. It's a glitter vinyl. Oh, I just really like the little flecks in there. All right, so I'm just weeding this just like you would regular vinyl. It pulls a little bit easier, and with heat transfer vinyl, it has a carrier sheet on the back side. So I just continue to kind of, weed this out, snip it off, just being a little bit more careful with the letter area and tapping down any areas that, might pull up. And then just weeding out the centers as you would with any Cricut project. Now I'm sticking this on a mug. I've used regular vinyl in the past, but especially when you have warm beverages, sometimes that can start to wear it out. So I'm going to use the heat transfer vinyl. I also have this little mini iron that's by the same company. I can link that below. I purchased that on Amazon. I will also put some links below on where you can find this vinyl, and I should be getting, by the time I put this video up, for my first 20 subscribers that want to purchase it, you'll get 20% off. So kind of nice that they offered that for you, but look how smoothly this goes on. I will still hand wash these, but I think they turned out so nice. And, you can't really scratch at it like a regular vinyl. Look at the blue flecks. So pretty. All right, let's get to DIY2. So for this one, I've got that red vinyl I was telling you about. I am using my little shirt ruler that I had gotten before on Amazon. It shows you where the neck is on a t-shirt, and it just makes it easier to line it up. But it shows you the center, so I thought this would be a great tool to do this. I could line them up on both sides, making them even. But this red is just so pretty. I thought it'd be really nice for Valentine's Day also, if you want to make like some Valentine shirts for the kiddos or yourself. But I just cut out some real simple reindeer, and this is on a pot holder that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Such a quick and easy gift. So I'm just using my Easy Press here for 30 seconds. I checked on the setting for what I was ironing on. And this is a cool peel for both of them. You want it to cool off, and then you peel it off. Oh, look at that. And it's not like a real super stiff vinyl. It's so pretty. It moves with you. All right, so now I took a wooden spoon and some of this ribbon that I also got from the Dollar Tree that just says believe. So I will just put that on each side and then I'll tuck that in there. So just making a quick gift. Maybe you're stopping by a friend's house quick and you want just a little gift to drop off. Just to let them know they were in your thoughts. So a little bit of cookie dough, a wooden spoon. I got a red whisk to kind of match things. Again, from the Dollar Tree, just a little silicone whisk. And a couple candy canes. So this would be a cute one. Drop off at your neighbor. Drop off, friends. Kids' friends, moms. Something like that. Just a quick and beautiful gift. Ah, look at the shimmer there. So pretty. Gotta love quick, cute gifts. And my friends and I all got together and are all doing them. So I will have a playlist below of others that will have some quick gift ideas for you also for those last minute gifts that you might need to make. I think we could all use a quick idea or two. All right, let's get to DIY 3. Now, Craspire sent me this sealing wax. You can get it in a couple different forms. I chose the one that would go in a glue gun, the bigger glue gun. And then you have this little stamp press. So you take these, they're kind of like glue sticks, but they're actually wax. And you're going to put that on there and kind of make a circle. And then you're just going to press it right into the wax. Now, they also have ones that have like a wick that you can do. They have ones that, have a little melting pot thing. Here, I'm putting on some parchment paper. And look at this cute idea. You could do this. They have so many different ones. They have everyday ones. This one says Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm just showing you here because I also sent me a hummingbird, so I'll probably show it to you in the spring, but I'm pretending this towel is a napkin and taking some ribbon around it. Wouldn't this be cute with some pretty napkins to just put some ribbon around and then, do the wax seal? Oh, so pretty. Could slide it off and slide them back on, but the detail is just so pretty in them. I'll have a link below to their site. All right, our last one, DIY4. Now, this is more of that HTVRONT that I had, so it's that heat transfer vinyl. And I'm just reading this. This one was almost a full page. I did have some extra room, so that's where I had some of my extra reindeer I put on here. I try to use every inch because I just loved this stuff. So I put the reindeer on there. I also had a couple of snowflakes that I put on the back of a decorative towel that I had. So it's pretty easy to do. You're just pulling off the parts that you don't want. And I won't make you watch all of my weeding. Now, this one is cute if you like it. I got it at Design Bundles. This year, I did not have as much time to design on my own as I'd like. And then I like to share those with you. So hopefully as we go into the winter, I'll have a little bit more time to do those for you and have a free download. But I just continue to pull this off, and part of the reason I continue to show this is most of it I wanted to just pull off and have the letters there. At the bottom, it kind of has a little bit of reverse weeding that I wanted to show you also. So instead of going around the letters, I went around the banner. And then inside the banner is where I want to pull out these letters, and I'll flip this around for you here to show you, but it's the most wonderful time of the year. I think it's just beautiful. So pretty. So I'm making this shirt for my daughter. I'll send that to her down in North Carolina. Her husband is stationed down there. So I try to send her fun little things because of course we miss them during the holidays. So a little piece of home, and what a fun thing to find in the mail, right? Now, this is that little piece. I can link that also. I think it was like $3 on Amazon, but a great way to line that up on your shirt. And then I use that Teflon sheet. You can use parchment paper. I followed the instructions that it had for this vinyl. And then I'm going to let that cool. But what I decided to do was, as I said, I added some snowflakes too. So here I'm going to add them to the cuff of the shirt. I thought this would be fun. Now, I almost did the elbows, but if I messed that up a little bit, it might look funny if the snowflakes weren't right on the elbows. So I went with the cuff. If you're enjoying my video, I hope you've already given me a thumbs up and hit that bell to subscribe. I really would love to have you as one of my friends and family here. And don't forget to share it if there's somebody else that might need a quick idea, as well as the other videos that I have on my channel for the holiday season. So again, I just pressed both of those down, and then once it's all cooled back down, I will just peel these off. Oh, look at that. That's a kind of satisfying part, is peeling this back off. And I'll show you just how soft this is. You know, it has that wiggle, and I'll show you in a second here. But it's just soft. It's not like scratchy or anything. It looks like you bought this at the store. Again, another quick gifts that you could give, you know, nieces, nephews, kids, whoever you want. But is that not adorable? Look at the glitter in this. I love it. All right, well, here's one more look. Don't forget to like and comment and share with friends and family, and to go visit the playlist for more great inspiration.